and welcome to my channel. So the last video you guys saw, it was me getting box braids. That was actually like, I'm gonna say it's about to be 3 weeks, and I actually have not washed my hair. I know, how nasty. My scalp right now is like crying for water. Like my scalp is super dry and it's a little itchy. This is my first time having box braids, so at first, to be honest, I didn't think when you have box braids, I didn't think you could wash it. I just thought you just have your hair, you know, wash your hair when you get them out. But I was really wrong. I feel like after the first week my hair started getting dry and you can kind of see it, and I'm like, actually, like, I feel like I needed to wash my hair. It's a very nasty feeling. So it's literally today, actually, because today's Saturday, today actually makes 3 weeks of me, or 2 weeks. It's about like 2.5 weeks or almost 3 weeks that I've been having my box braids. Yes, I know that's nasty. I have not washed it, but I just can't take it any longer. So I did my research on how to wash your hair with box braids, and I'm ready. Like, I'm ready to wash it. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna try to get really close so you guys can see how dirty it is. I really want to keep my box braids in for like at least 2 more weeks because I'm going on vacation, and the first 3 days of my vacation we're going to a resort. So I think it will look really nice if I have my box braids in for the resort. So I'm gonna try to be as gentle as possible because I do not want to mess up my braids. I feel like I've done a really good job on maintaining, you know, like it's not looking all like puffy and ugly up here. So like I really want to maintain it like that. So I'm gonna try to be very gentle, okay? So the way that I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, I'm gonna get a bottle of water, and then I'm going to add some shampoo. And the shampoo that I'm gonna be using is by Shea Shea Moisture Intense Hydration Shampoo. I'm just gonna put some shampoo in the bottle of water, and I'm also going to mix a little bit of Deva Curls Build Up Booster. Just a little bit, because I used this for when I was prepping for my hair when I was prepping my hair to get the box braids. And this, when I tell you this leaves your hair squeaky clean, it like leaves it squeaky clean. Like, I'm that serious. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. That's it. And I'm not gonna add too much just because I don't want my hair to be too soapy. All right, so I'm like kind of scared and kind of like ready for this. My scalp is like feeling. So what I'm going to do is spray it and just kind of like scrub it with my fingers as I go. And yeah, so let's get started. Definitely on the front. Okay, this is not as easy as I thought it was going to be. Oh yes, that feels so good. Look, you guys, look. Dry. Alright, so now that I'm done spraying all the shampoo and water to my scalp, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the shower and rinse it all out. I'm sure that's about to feel so good. I'm ready for it. So without further ado, let's go to the shower. So as you guys can tell by my facial expression, that felt really good. Letting the water run through my scalp felt beyond good. So I'm just gonna let the water run through my scalp for a little bit to make sure that all the all the shampoo is completely out before I apply the conditioner. That felt so good. And I'm just moving the braids to the side to make sure that all the shampoo is actually rinsed out of the back area as well. Then I'm going to be applying my conditioner. That's the conditioner that I'm using is by Shea Moisture Intense Hydration. I'm just gonna make sure that I apply enough conditioner to my entire scalp, and I'm also gonna apply some to the braids where I think my hair is, not like the bottom where it's the fake hair, but where my natural hair is. Once I rinse the conditioner out, I make sure to squeeze the braids to get any excess water out, and that way that's gonna help the braids dry faster. Alright, you guys, that felt so good on the scalp. Oh my god, my scalp was like itchy and it felt just so dirty, and when that water fell on my scalp, oh my goodness, that felt so good. I do still see some of the little white things hanging on, not on my scalp but actually on my hair. I'm gonna be adding some argan oil by Shea Moisture 100%. Looks like this, and I'm just gonna be adding that on my scalp. Alright, so that's good for now. I only apply some basically on like the top, just where you can kind of see, and that's pretty good. So wetting the braids actually made some of my actual hair come out more, like you guys see. So I'm gonna be applying some gel to the hair, to the braids, so to see if, you know, to kind of like fix my natural hair that's coming out. And the gel that I'm going to be using is Eco Style gel. And then I'm going to use a rat tail comb to kind of push the braid back, like my hair back in the braid. Okay, so it's really hard to push my hair back in the braid, really hard. So I'm just gonna add some gel on it and call it a day. The gel, I'm just putting some gel on the hair and kind of like setting it down, you see? And you can no longer see it that much. So unless it's a lot of it like this one, you see a lot of it's coming out. So what I'm gonna do is try to sit it down as much as possible. It's not as noticeable anymore. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. My scalp feels so much better. Even though washing my braids made some of my natural hair come out, I'm really glad that I did, because my scalp feels so much better. It doesn't feel so dirty, and like it doesn't feel like I have so much buildup. It feels fresh. And yeah, I'm not gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna let the hair kind of like air dry the braids. I'm not, because they don't feel like they're wet or anything. I'm just gonna let them air dry. The only thing that kind of feels wet still is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, make sure you give it a like, and if you're not subscribed to my channel right now, make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.